Isn't that the coolest? Finally got some swag. I don't even know what the fuck swag is. Merchandise. Yeah. Oh shit, my mic isn't near me. All right, how about now? Can you guys hear me now? Da, 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 da. It's not going to be a long live. We're heading back into the strip today, Las Vegas Strip. We're still here in Vegas for a few more days. Can't believe our 2 months is up. Crazy as that shit is. Yep, but that's our little shirt. How cute is that? I'll be bringing that up again and again over the next, obviously, forever times. Oh man. How about that? All right, and let's see if we get this up and running. Now let me make sure this one. Okay. I know. It seems like it just got there. Isn't that crazy? We talk about it all the time. That's funny for me. Yeah, you can buy it if you want, Tibor. I know. We've been there for 2 months over. We got here 4 days early, so technically we've already been here 2 months. Isn't that wild? Let's see. Is it morning? Good afternoon, everybody. It's afternoon here. It's our time. 12:14 Eastern Standard Time, 3:14 Vegas time. Anyway, good afternoon, LT. Good afternoon, Thomas. Oh, that was a fast 2 months. Tell us about it. Holy crap, it's been fast. Stephen Dunlap, good morning, Kev. Good morning. Good afternoon, Stephen. Good afternoon, Stephen87. Good afternoon, OG. At our time, it's 12:14 Eastern Standard Time. Those are the trades I dropped in the other day, right when I told you guys when I left. These are my trades. Da, 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 da. You guys can see the time ends. If you're on TikTok, head over to YouTube. You can see things better. And those are those trades I told you guys to do. Those are the times in. That's the day, Friday, times in, holding them. See the swap fee, by the way? Swap fee is nothing more than interest. So when they say swap fees, that means they're charging you interest for their money, the use of their money. That's what this is. Commission is just how much they charge you per trade. The swap fees interest on their money I'm using, which I'll gladly pay $60 to make $1,200. I'm okay with that. That's all that is. All right. Yeah, I know. 2 months. Hey, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great week. I hope you all having a great weekend too. Doomy. Hello, Doomy. Good afternoon, G Celeste. Welcome, Thando. Thando, you've been stalking my ass for fucking at least 2 months, maybe 3. Hey, Wilson. Good afternoon, Perilli. Good afternoon, D Nice. Good afternoon, Kevin. I have been studying, watching over and over. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. You're welcome, D Nice. Football comments. God, that's funny. Swap is for holding overnight. Swap is for holding past the day. Whenever the Forex doesn't run on the same time period as we do, but to answer your question, yes, it's interest rate. All it is interest. That's what a swap fee is. They just charge. It's their money. They have the right to charge interest. So that's what they do. That's how you got to look at it. If you're going to do business, that's what they do. Hi, D Nice Donald. Thanks for being on both places. D Nice is smart. TikTok, you can hear me better. YouTube, you can see everything way better. Plus, you can sign up for the alerts. Followed you from TikTok the other day. Awesome, Zap the King. J Flow, good afternoon to you. All right. So I think we're all here. This guy never loses, Gentile. Yeah, actually, I could teach you that. I'll show you how a loss happens and then how we make up for it. Correct. We never lose a trade. We can lose you can lose a trade. You're not going to lose the battle. Double top M's, triple top M's, double top bottoms, triple top bottoms. And I'm in a good mood, Gentile, so I'm going to look at that comment as you made as a good comment. I'm in a really good mood, actually. Kev, I think there's another scam TikTok around. I believe they followed me. There is. Yeah, thank you. Oh, is Bitcoin printing money again? That's funny. We should check Bitcoin for you guys. Yeah, to be clear, and remember this, matter of fact, I'll write this out for you guys. We will never contact you first. So be clear on this. I'm going to write this out. We will never contact you first. Boom, baby. So be careful of those scammers. Obviously, we're getting more and more successful. And instead of just learning how to trade, these fucking scam artists are trying to take all your guys' money. So we will never contact you first. Just remember that, okay? Da 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 da. We will never, ever, 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 clever, ever contact you first. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. That might work out even better. All right. Does anybody have any questions before we get going? I'm going to do a review of Friday just so we can, and just so we can be on the same page with that. What happened Friday and how we made some money for everybody, and then I'm going to go into training. Da 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 da. Kevin teaches you how to use training systems. Do you use AI bots or do you actually teach? What's up, D? M, sorry. Yep, Danny, they're scammers. I guess it's a serious form of flattery as they try to scam, model you. Happy Sunday, Sugar Plum Fairy. Happy Sunday, Sugar Plum Fairy. CJ, first time here, welcome. Ali Char, can this only be used MT4? Can be used in trading? You run it on MT4 and you can use it anywhere you like. About 60-70% of our people use it anywhere they want. Da, 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 da. I had a message. Yep. Scam artists. Don't worry, we're closing them down, but they're popping up faster than I can close the fuckers down. So they just keep coming and coming and coming. God, that's all right. Eventually they'll get theirs anyways. I don't know why they just don't buy the damn system. They'd make more money using the system. Fucktards. Anyhow, I'm going to teach you right now, Em, how to trade. You're about to learn it. Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Em. Yes, if you go to I'm laughing because if you go to my YouTube YouTube channel, you'll see 400 videos of me training you for the last 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. I have no idea. It's been well over 6 months every day. Now, this coming Friday, I'm probably going to miss. So if I miss this Friday, and Thursday is going to be a limited time on because we're traveling back to Georgia from Vegas. You guys should learn how to buy it. You should buy the system, learn how to trade before Friday. I'm only halfway kidding. That's the money from Friday. Well, the last little bit of money I told you guys to get into on these very calls right here, which are not changed. These very calls. Let's pull this over here so you can see this better. I left you with a buy stop, which obviously worked out really well, sell stop, which has not yet or may not ever, and another buy stop 1 hour, and then a 4 stop from that Monday. So we're going to look at those calls that I left you with on the last video. Danny laughed. Don't look. Laughed. Oh, okay. All right. ML, good morning. Looking forward for training tomorrow. Awesome. I am too. Make sure you have everything ready, please. I'll get you the information. Thank you, Thomas. Yeah, I agree. Hell yeah. Good afternoon, says Fish on TV. George Hyde, good afternoon, everyone. Remember, give a thumbs up. Thank you, George. Yes, that's true. Please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. Hope I can make the 5 p.m. training tomorrow. I'm going to have to reschedule again if I do work on time. Okay, that's fine. We have the training every Every Monday, twice a day Monday at the point in time. Unlimited training, so you'll never be more than a week without it. Before I could not do that. Now I can. Hey, guys. What's up, Moto? What's up, Bootlegger? What's up, Metal Mind? Good afternoon to every one of you. Good afternoon, Sunday to everyone. Allie. Good afternoon, Dr. Computer Service and Security Cameras. Kev, I had a question about the type form and something about joining a training session. Nothing crazy, but I was curious if it's okay to ask or should I email it? Email it, please. This is for group people only. Email all persons is Bri. Yes, correct, OG. A great answer, OG. And thank you for asking Fish on TV. That was very nice of you to ask that. Marie Rios, good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, Marie Rios. Good morning. Well, afternoon, sorry. Fucking just switched over here. D nice. Kevin, just one question if I can ask, and if I need to wait until Monday, that's okay. D nice, don't ask any personal questions here. This is for group, for everyone that's out there live. If you have a personal question, you email it, just like Fish on TV asked. Thank you for asking, D nice. Are you using a regulated broker? Mr. Felix, I have 7 accounts with Eagle FX. I have 2 accounts with Hugo's Way. Neither of them are regulated. I have an account with Nadex, is regulated. I have an account with Forex.com, is regulated. I have an account with Thinkorswim, is regulated. I have an account with Pepperstone, is not regulated. So to answer your questions, I have accounts that are you're going to learn how to trade today. You're going to learn how to trade all kinds of different shit today. So be prepared to record this on your own. Any of my clients, I have no idea, 500 and something people that have bought the program, all of you, you should be watching this and recording this session specifically. Yes, it's going to be on YouTube too, but I would record it with your own, even if you had to do it with your phone. Good morning, sir. Then, good morning, sir. Your system's super exciting. Oh, congratulations, everyone. Welcome then into the system. That's awesome. Then, welcome, everyone. Welcome. Then, just bought the system. Congratulations, my friend. Hopefully, you can kick ass training as soon as you get your training done, if you even need it. Some people are, they're pretty good once they get the system to them. They take off and run. Tommy and everybody. Thoughts on Trade X? And I don't have any thoughts on it. Don't know what it is. Don't use it. Never have. Thanks for answering my question. Of course, Mr. Felix. Any question that comes up, I will ask. Thank you for not repeatedly asking the same question. Then I'll ignore you. Yeah, just didn't want to send it, but figure the email. Thank you. Good afternoon, Kevin. Training tomorrow. Good afternoon, Stephen C. Hey, Kimberly Harrington. I didn't know if you come on Sundays. I'm only on because Bree's getting ready. We're heading to the strip in an hour or two. Well, probably closer to 2. I'm actually going to do some training. All right, guys. Welcome, everybody. Here we go. We're going to start some training. If you guys ever wanted to learn how to trade. Oh, and by the way, you can thank Keith. We now have the candle that we can give out to everybody, a candle timer, and we have this US 30 1 minute, thesafetytrade.com. So if you guys can see, you can't fucking see it on TikTok. Well, I would recommend you going over to YouTube, to be honest with you. Dang it. Let me pull that back for you. But see, now you can see. Damn. Oh, that's just stupid now. Well, fuck. At any rate, if you go over to YouTube, you can see things way better. Let me see. What about that? Dun, dun, dun. Watch, we'll bring this over here like this and this like this. And now maybe we can see each other. Now can you see the US 30 there? So anyway, you can thank Keith for that. And I didn't know if anyone caught this last thing I talked about, but we have some merchandise. That's what I was talking about, US 30 now, because people are having trouble seeing the US 30 that was up here. They were trying to look up here. That doesn't change. This will change every time whenever I'm on a new symbol now. So that's a huge. And I would go over to this right here, the YouTube channel. You can just see things better. But good news, chat. We have some swag, which I don't know what the fuck swag is. We have something with our symbols on it that we're selling, with our symbols on it, with our sayings on it. And it's right here. Oh, da, 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 da. That's our first little thing. How cute. Many more are coming, though. There's going to be just our logo. Matter of fact, I could have swore. Da, 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 da. I could have swore we already had. Yeah. Here's a shirt with just our logo on it. Boo, 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 boo. We have several different logos. Look at this, how cool this one is. The buy stop, sell stop shirts. Oh, God. The safetytrade.com. Look at this shit. So more and more and more is going to be coming. You get t-shirts and everything. How fucking cool. Can't thank Chad, Keith Palmer's son, right here enough. So if you guys want to get anything, and I guarantee the scammers ain't got this shit. Look at it. Buy stop. Oh my God. It's so cool. Anywho, that's that. There's something cool. So if you want some of that stuff, I can give you the link or let me know if you're interested. It's just something silly, but I like it. I like it a lot. Very, very, very happy with that. So we finally got some merchandise. There's mugs and shit. You know, all that stuff's coming. Mouse pads, all that crap. It'll be here before you know it. All right. Tough, you coming with hoodies too. Yeah, there's hoodies on there already. Yes. If I can catch you on. Hey, everyone. What's up, Capital Gains? Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool looking. We're just getting started with it, but there's different designs and stuff already. There'll be a lot more. How cute. Email link for your merchandise. Yeah, I will. I'll send out an email to everybody. Actually, good idea. Let me write that down. It's on the Discord, but I'll send out an email for everybody if they want to buy it. Email merch to everyone. Good point. I should have did that already. All right. Thank you for that suggestion. Appreciate it. Thank you for being on both too, Danny. Yep. Isn't it cool? Stephen C. All right. Link. Yeah, I'll email it out to you. Oh, if you're not part of the email, though, on the alerts or the thing, I don't know what the fuck to do. I guess I can tell you where it is. Bitcoin paid out, says James. Good afternoon, James Cochran. Uh-oh. If James is saying Bitcoin paid out, it must have paid out. Let's take a look-see. Here comes Bitcoin. Let's take a look-see and see what we shall see on Bitcoin today. Let's see. I see shit. Sell. Forming into a buy. Oh, earlier today, I'm assuming this must have been a 30-minute something or other. 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. From when I left you guys, it was a buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. I just don't know how much money that is from 27,000 to 28,000, about $400 or $500 since I left you, which I guess is enough to make you all rich. I don't trade Bitcoin. I have no idea. We'll go over all of them. We're going to go over everything. All right. So I'm still going to do some training. Awesome. Don't sugar. I'll add you to YouTube. Smart idea, Susie. Very smart. You know that you're welcome. Thank you for sharing that. Yep, absolutely. The Bach rocks, baby. I'm in the email. Awesome, Jonathan. All right, here we go. I'm going to go over some basic training, and then we're going to go over some more of the advanced stuff. The only way you're going to be able to get the advanced stuff, though, is if you move over to YouTube from TikTok. So the basic training is very, 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 very simple. I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way because the thing's out of the way. By the way, these are trades from Friday when I told you to do those buys. And when I told you, I mean, I literally told you when I left, wrote it out. Here are the words, and this is what I told you to do. Buy, stop, all 3, 1 minute. Left you. When I left you there, these are the trades from that time. This is the type of buy. This is the symbols that I bought. This is the swap fees, which are interest. Oh, you can't see it on TikTok. Hold on. This is the swap fees, which are interest. And this is how much I'm up on these trades. 229, 229, 1282, 1270. You'll notice I do 2 or more every time I trade. Fridays, I'm not overly aggressive after I leave, though. Okay, so that's that. Now, let's get rid of that and go over to here. Well, how do I get your workspace? Oh, you mean how do you buy the system? Hold on. You buy the system, by going right. Oh, shit. The wrong safety trade. That's funny as fuck. I haven't opened. We have 2 stores. Well, I don't get into that with you guys. That's funny. That is funny. Tra-la-la-la. How do you get the system? Yes, I'm saying I know it's horrid. All right, let's move this over here. Let's move this over here. There you go. Do you have trade copy or serve? No. I teach you how to trade. I teach you how to trade. Everyone wants to copy my trades. They're so fucking funny. Learn how to trade. How about that instead? Da 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 da. All right, this is where you go to buy the system if you'd like to get it. You head over to here. And then I'm going to get into training. Gosh, I got to get into training before Bri gets done. TheSafeTrade.com is where you buy the setup. It's a system. What the one guy was asking. Just head over there. All one word. Don't go to anyone else. Anyone contacts you, they're a scam artist. We will never contact you first. That's how you can tell the difference between us and anyone else. We're not contacting you first. So please don't fall for any scams. Because we're getting so successful and so many hundreds and thousands of people are joining that people are now scamming. They're setting up fake sites, this and that. But we will never, ever, ever contact you first. So if someone contacts you, especially during these lives or anytime first, that's bullshit. We never do. We don't need to. We have hundreds and thousands of people every day contacting us. I'm not going to contact you first. Trust me on that. SafeTrade.com. Go there, learn about it, sign up for the alerts. I don't like the alerts there. I like the alerts from YouTube. They're way better. The reason being, because as soon as they start streaming, the alerts go out on YouTube. If I start streaming, they may or may not go out through our email because sometimes I forget. SafeTrade.com. That's where you go to get it. All right, done with that. It's made to run on Ninja. It's made to run on Ninja. It's made coded to run on MT4. But I'm telling you, over half of our people, they use it on Eagle FX MT4 as a reference point. They reference over to it, and then they trade on Ninja 8, Think or Swim, Tradeovite. Oh, I have a Tradeovite regulated account too, by the way. What should I have set up on my computer? I buy your system. Well, I teach you that everything. Hundreds of thousands. Wow, you must have a full team to take care of that. Hundreds of thousands. We have hundreds and thousands, not hundreds of thousands. And the full team is me and Bri. 2 people answers hundreds of emails a day. Yes, we do. You should see some of our responses. We get a little pissy when you guys start asking the same questions over and over. And 2 of us, not a team. Well, there's Keith Palmer, who's made the scanner room. Boom, right here. Fucking kick ass. I know you're being a douche, but yeah, there is hundreds and hundreds of emails. Some days more than hundreds, some days less than 100, thousands in a week. Absolutely thousands of emails in a week. Hundreds and thousands, not hundreds of thousands. You're being a douche. Indices, Forex. So Keith and this other gentleman made this. There's an indice room, a Forex room, crypto. So we didn't make this. It's all built. I call this a mini me trader. If you want a copier trader, get this scanner. You can only get it after you buy the system. I would never trade crypto without it. For instance, cryptos, it's so fucking amazing. It's sickening. It hasn't missed one trade on Bitcoin since January 3rd, since it went live on the 1-hour trades. Never missed one. Da, 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 da. And you can click on it. The scanner is just amazing. So I guess if you say it in those terms, yes, we have a team. You have Spidey and Keith who are making the scanner for me, but then me and Bri do everything. Me and Bri actually are the ones that do everything. So there's your hundreds and thousands answers. Dude, people, I swear to God. Morons in the news. I'm still in biology's conference. What should I have set up on my computer? You don't need anything. Just have a computer that's not a Mac computer and you're good. Faven, good afternoon to you, Faven. NHM. And no, you're just being silly. Hundreds and thousands. Correct, NHM. Okay, Miss Her. There you go. No future room. I like no futures room. No, but what you would do, by the way, Faven, while you asked that question, is a very good question. One of our guys, well, a couple of our guys, but Jose happens to do futures all the time, the E-mini contracts and Tradeovite. Holy mother of God. All we do is on that one, because I'm learning that too from him, how to do those E-minis, even though I had Tradeovite from like 20 years ago. I never really used it. NAS 100, for instance, SPX 500 to be specific, is the E-mini SPYs. So yes, you can convert this over almost dollar for dollar over to the thing. It's just, you'd have to know what US 30 equals on the futures. SPX equals, NAS equals on the futures. But yeah, you can trade that way. Jose makes, I think he's around several hundred, 2, 3, 4, 500 a day to a few thousand a day. I know he just bought a new boat with the winnings. So he's doing okay with it. What does the scanner do? Oh, the scanner? Scanner's one of the most amazing things I've ever, oh my God. The scanner trades like me. So what the scanner does, it's over currently 100 symbols in here, right? Indices, Forex, cryptos, and stocks. It's watching all 8 time frames, the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. All 8 time frames on over 100 different symbols, indices, gold, oil, Forex, cryptos, your majors, minors, and majors and crosses in Forex, your cryptos, all the majors, your stocks. When you see that, it's going to be up over 250 symbols soon. It will soon be watching all symbols available on the MT4 platform, all 250 symbols. It'll be scanning all time frames, and it'll be copy trading. It'll be the equivalent of me calling out these trades for you. And then you, as a human being, would then override them and actually say, oh, yeah, that's correct. Oh, no, that's not correct, so on and so forth. But yeah, that's what it does. It trades like me. It's programmed to trade like me. Is it exact? No, but is it very, very, very close? Yes, it really is. It's extremely close. Like a 95. I wouldn't put anything out that wasn't. It's about a 95, 97% like me trading. So that's what the scanner does, if that helps you. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Davin. Who asked that? Oh, we do. I hope I answered your questions. Scanner's $50 a month for 2 rooms, 2 of the rooms, but you can't get it until you buy the system because you actually have to know how to trade. This can't be done on MacBooks. No, it cannot, Marie Rios. It cannot be done on MacBooks. Macs are fine computers. They're great computers, but they suck for MT4. Cannot, will not. I'm not dealing with it. Don't try to scam and get one in because I will not train you on a Mac. Well, you can't be trained on a Mac, to be specific. Hit the like. Yeah, thank you guys. There's 62 of you on YouTube and 36 likes. Don't forget, the way to track you is coming very soon. I'll know who hit that like button and who didn't. And once I find out, fun times. I'm in a horror wardrobe. Hey, Kev, account I mentioned appears to already have been caught and removed. Sorry for. Oh, that's great, Thomas. Thank you, Thomas, for letting me know. That's awesome, Thomas. Anyone out there catching these people, it's fucking fantastic. All the scammers. You guys are curious about system. It took me about 2 weeks of watching previous lives for a reason that Kev couldn't possibly provide any more proof for the amazing system. Yeah, thank you, Fish on TV. Yeah, you learn pretty quick, couple weeks. Some people take 2, 3, 4 months. So I'm proud of you, Fish on TV, for learning quickly. You all do an hostage communication and everything else. Thanks, Stephen Dunlap. Why not Mac? Macs can't handle MetaTrader 4. You have to put a shell on them and do all this shit. They just suck. Hi, Kevin. Will you be posting a session? Yes, it will be, but I highly recommend every one of the people that are in my system videotape it and record it themselves. Yes, it does. Fish on TV is correct. Yes, can't be done on MacBooks. I mentioned that. Kevin, good afternoon. I finally purchased. Yay, Jay Cressy. Nice. Congratulations, Jay. Welcome, Jay. Thank you, Kimberly, for always welcoming everybody. I appreciate that. Oh, everyone there should be welcoming everybody, by the way, that already has system. Oh, okay. Yes, Maria. Is all Mac products that won't work? Correct. All Mac products won't work on. And you know what? Nothing. Mac is great, but they're weird because how they veer themselves off from everybody. Like AnyDesk works mostly. Ice Cream Recorder works mostly, but it's not 100%, and it's weird. Thanks, Kevin. Just purchased 1 hour ago and follow the steps. Just wait, there you go. Thank you, Jay, for having common sense and following all the steps after the purchase happens. Oh my God, thank you, sir. Thank you for letting me know. You're welcome, Marie. Yeah, the communication was amazing. I was shocked how fast Bri was on those emails. Oh yeah, no, we respond to emails quickly. Woohoo, Jay, I remember you from last week. Welcome to the team. Thank you, Thomas, for welcoming. All right. I have yet to get to training. Let me get to some training before Bri gets done. Let's see. I'm done with all my questions. You can go back to your class. I know, right, Favid? Yes, sir. How much for the scanner? When we buy the scanner, would you show us? Oh, yeah. And there's a setup for the scanner. Hey, Precious, we're live. Precious in the building. Well, the room. when we buy the scanner, would you? Yeah, there's a video. Actually, you can go on YouTube right now and find how to set it up and everything. Yes, sir. If 1 minute says buy stop and 5 minutes says sell stop, you wait until the 5-minute trades. So Suna, Suna, do you have your rules? Suna on TikTok, do you have your rules? Okay, let's go ahead and go over the rules. That is a very interesting question that you should already know the answer to. If you don't have your rules, let's pull open the rules. Okay. Open up your rules, Suna, and then I want you to go ahead and pull them out and then answer that question for yourselves. Tell me when you have your rules open, Suna, please. Are you able to show trading higher time frames today? If not, yeah, I probably will get to that, hopefully. Kev says buy stop. Okay, so again, Suna, tell me when you have your rules open, Suna. Oh, I got to put the new logo on there. We have a green logo thanks to Chad. I can't be thankful enough. All right. Yes, we have rules of trading, henceforth how we can actually get consistent results with trading and have a robot that or EA that trades. Well, it is an EA that sets up the trades for you, I should say. Now, look, these are our rules. You go through them, blah, 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 blah. Now, Suna has a copy of these rules. And if you don't have a system, I apologize. But if you do, then you're asking a question that really shouldn't be asked. We teach personal responsibility for trading here. You're responsible for your own trading, Suna. So there's three. Look at it. Let's go ahead and answer. Who here can read? The order in which the safety trades develop is 1 minute, 5 minutes. You see this? 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. The order in which the safety trade develops is 1 minute, 5 minutes. Suna, answer your question live. Suna, where'd you go? Don't get quiet on me. I believe you're in the system, and if you are, you should know the answer to this question with that before you ever asked it. Everyone else help Suna out. Which one forms first, the 1 minute or the 5 minute? People don't even know the system, but just read the rules. Which safety trade forms first if there's a 1 minute and a 5 minute? Which one forms first? I'm pointing to it. Which one? The 1 minute forms first. Thank you, Fish on TV, who hasn't even had his training. Kimberly, thank you for answering the question. 1 minute. James Cochran, 1 minute. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Sugar Plum Flurry says hi, Bree. 1 minute says Tibor. I knew Tibor would get that correct. 1 minute. Shay says 1 minute. Susie says 1 minute. Correct. So I'm a little concerned there, Suna, why you would ask that question. Literally why. And matter of fact, this is exactly what happened on Friday. There was a buy stop all 1 minute, and then there's a sell stop all 5 minute, right? Well, the 1 minute's ruled. The 1 minutes did it. What do I mean 1 minute? I'll show you that right now, actually. Look, the 1 minutes all went up. Look, 1 minute buy stop, right? You go to the 5 minute, and there was a sell stop. Well, on US 30 to be specific. There was a sell stop, but it doesn't matter. The 1 minute chart rules. So you go to the 1 minute chart and you trade. When you go ahead and trade that, then you make your money just like that. So yeah, again, I'm not trying to be mean to Suna, but Suna needs to take responsibility, personal responsibility for his training. And the training is exact. The rules are exact. You should have them printed out, laminated, and memorized. All of you. D. Nice Donald says, hello, Bree. So does that make sense to everybody out there? Can I use PayPal to purchase? You can, Winston. You have to shoot us over an email. I'm going to give you a hint right now. Everyone that uses PayPal is a bunch of shit. They never follow through. They never do it. And whatever reasons, I have no idea. But yeah, you can pay by PayPal. Yes, you can. Thank you for answering, Bootlegger, Gregory, Susie, J, Candle Envy. LT says good morning. Kevin B says 1 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, yes, there you go. Peter P, that's clarified things. Peter P, again, you have the rules. They should be printed out, laminated, and memorized. Suna, the Suna cat, is that person not in our system? Yeah, I thought so. All right, Suna, make sure you follow those rules, print them out, blah, blah, blah. They knew step-by-step videos for everything you need to do. Amen to that. Amen. Thank you. Who the hell said that? Stephen C. Thank you, Stephen. To anyone new, he has step-by-step videos for everything you need to do. That is correct. That, boy, people don't follow it, though, Stephen. It is shocking. I'd say 9 out of 10 people we don't have any issues with, but 1 out of 10, I don't know how they live. They can't follow simple instructions with videos, by the way, written out. I don't understand it. I can't use Mac, correct? Winston. No, yeah, you're correct. You can have the Sander. You can use the Ice Cream Pro version for training. Absolutely. It records it local. You'll get a copy of your training anyways through Zoom, or you can get it on YouTube from today. But I like the Ice Cream. I have the Ice Cream Pro version on like literally 10 computers, 8 computers. I have no idea. Would it be a good idea with yeah, it's fine with HP computer. Yes, as long as it's full laptop. Howdy, Bree. Howdy, Bree.
Hi.
No, you don't need to have it, but it's helpful if you do. Jonathan Owens. The difference is not as great as you think. The one-on-one package is for people who are like me, more or less, who like to be one-on-one and not in a small group. But to be honest, the small group probably is better for people who don't know anything, because when it's the small group, people ask questions that you might not ask. So it's kind of interesting how it works.
Like you can't get things set up on your own.
Oh, yeah.
You need to do that session.
Now, if you can't get things set up self-installed, it's called a self-install program. The difference there, sorry, good point, Precious, is then you need to get the one-on-one, because then we'll help you set everything up. If you do the group, then you will have to set up everything yourself, which is easy. We have videos for everything. 90% of our people can do it, no problems. Annoying during training, says Jonathan Owens. 1 minute from first and then 5. 1 minute. Yes, Kimberly. Thank you, Kimberly. Lee Montoya. Uno minute. All right, that's clarified. Thanks, Kev. How long have you offered the system? This system has been offered for a year, 14 months. The current system since December. It's just been modified, a little upgraded, so you can see the interest is better. But the system, yes, we accept PayPal. I did the one-on-one and loved it. Learn slow. Oh, Candle Envy. Hey, all you guys out there should go to Candle Envy's shop. I don't know what it is, but I guess she can list it here if she can. And then buy a candle from her or support her business. She's one of our members, and unbelievably, she sent us a little candle to Bri and I, and we just saw pictures of it, but it looks very pretty. We're not home yet to get it. I do, instead of this daily, I do standards and rewatch daily. Everyone should have open mind and me and versus me attitude, because system is perfection. Nothing wrong at all. Thank God for the safe trade system. Great, Metal Mind. I'm confused where he's going with that, but that's cool. All right, there's no PDT on Eagle FX. Does Eagle flag individuals as PDT if account is? There is no PDT. No, there's no. You don't need $25,000 trade. That's only in America. America has the most. I'll be nice. America has the silliest. When I say silliest, I mean most stupid fucking shit in the history of the world. But America has the most silliest rules when it comes to trading. You have to have $25,000. You can't trade more than 3 times in a day unless you have $25,000. Are you kidding me? You can't have 500 to 1 leverage. Yeah, okay. America, they're so full of crap. Are you sure trading higher time frames? Oh yeah, I already answered that. Yes, I will. I like that you explained this differently. Yep. Well, it is different. Does Eagle flag vintages? No, not at all. Don't sugar. They do not. There's no PDA. Correct. All right. Now, can I get to trading, guys? On the people bot following simple rules. Oh, yeah, you're right, Metal Mind. Thank you, Metal Mind. What time do you trade the most? Kevin O'Connell asked. I trade 1 hour, 4 hours, and I trade 1 hour, 1 minute, 5 minutes. All right. So let's take a look at how to trade. Here we go. All right. Now, this is it. Let's get something first. You're going to have to get rid of certain things. Okay. One of the things you're going to have to get rid of, one of the hardest things ever, is that you have to get rid of the old beliefs. And this is where people are going to get annoyed. I really don't care. That's your choice. Is on any given day, if you type this into Google, do it right now. Look what I'm doing. Do 97% of retail traders lose money? Just type that in. And the last time I did this was on was that Friday night or Thursday night? I think it was Thursday night at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we had the funniest little people come on and complain about this. They can't take it. So what can't they take? Type it in. On any given day, 97% of day traders lose money. There's the answer. So what you guys have to get rid of, like I did, for 6 years, I lost. For 6 years, I lost. I lost 97. I probably lost 99% of my trades. What did I lose? How did I lose 99% of my trades? Well, I had mastered support and resistance. I had mastered Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracements. I had mastered mastered descending wedges, and I still lost 99% of my trades. Sound familiar to any of you? So I would thank God when they started teaching about, when I started learning about naming of candles, evening star, morning star, that one didn't get me. I thought that's bullshit. There's no way in hell that's accurate. What the hell does naming of candles have to do with anything? Then I found out Fibonacci was based off of nature. And I thought, what? It's the repeating pattern, number patterns on shells and flower petals. They're pretty, but what the hell does that have to do with trading? Then I got to start to thinking support and resistance. Well, what the hell is a breakout? How do you explain a breakout? And then volume. I was like, what the hell? Everything that they taught us is wrong, and they do it intentionally. They, Vanguard and BlackRock, are teaching us to lose trades. How do I know? Because we're not dumb. I'm not a dummy. You're not a dummy. None of you are dummies. They're teaching us the wrong things and taught us the wrong things for hundreds of years, right? Forex has been around as current thing for 240 years. So they've been teaching us the wrong way, so we lose 97% times. So does everyone get that? Does everyone get that? Yeah. There you go. I just want you all to let that sink in. I don't think you guys are catching on to the fact, especially no one on TikTok's admitting this, even though they all are here looking for a way to trade. So if all the things you had learned worked, then why are you here? Think about that. So let's compare the 97% of losses to what's currently happening right now. These are my trades. Well, if I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades open, I don't have any losses. I used to lose 97%, 99% of my trades, right? $26,500 over 6 years I lost. Look at it. 97% of the trades lost, but we're not losing. So if you guys can get out of your mind, then just go ahead and understand this is how you trade. So if there is no support and resistance, then what is there? Well, look, I'll show you how to trade. Everyone that has an open mind that's going to be willing to learn anything new, watch. This is how easy this is going to be. You can't see the future. So this little orange blob thing right here is going to be our future. Can't see it. And then this little arrow is going to walk you through what to look at, okay? So let's go ahead and go over to here. Now watch. Boop, boop. What you're going to see is when all the indicators on my system are all green. So in this case, it's green, 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 green. And the Bach, the only indicator of its kind, the only one out there, the master indicator, the one that will go down in history books of breaking Forex. This is literally broke Forex. This indicator right here, when I developed it, and it's mine, I named it BOKK. No one else has it, despite the fact someone emailed me trying to say they had it. That is bullshit. They do not. The BOKK indicator is the most important indicator in the history of the world. When this stays green and this indicator right here turns red, and the rest of these green, green, red, green, green, you open up a buy stop above the line, and let's see if things go up, and they go up. You see that? That's how hard it is to trade. No longer do you have to try to do support and resistance, trend lines. No longer do you have to do ascending, descending wedges and try to do those. They're bullshit. They're wrong. They don't work. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, up it goes. That's all it is. So this indicator, this one, when you see this stay green and this turn red and you put your buy stop above here, well, all I can tell you. That's all I can tell you. Just to get ready to make some buy stop monies. And not only is it that, but let's look at something so you guys can really laugh. Look at this. We made a shirt that has this on it. Look down here. This is our merchandise. This is so exact. That's what I just taught you. Green, 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 red, right? Let me move this over here. Does that look, does the shirt that you can buy look exactly like those indicators right there? Look at them. So not only is it cute and pretty, look, green, 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 red, buy stop. Well, what does our shirt say? This is merchandise. Look, merchandise. There's a hoodie with it. Buy stop. Look at it. Yeah, this is merchandise that is for sale that you can get that looks exactly like this. Not only is it the coolest shit you've ever seen, it kind of proves the point that it actually works. People are buying this now with merchandise. It's going to revolutionize and change how Forex is traded. And I know it's going to piss off a lot of you. You have to hold on to the old, wrong way of trading, and you're going to hold on to it till you die. I get that. And it's going to be hard for you to give up on it, and you're going to try to defend it. But the reality is, all you need to look for is this green, 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 red pattern with my indicators and put a buy stop above here, and you'll make money. How much money in this case? A shit ton. That's about 40 pips. On US 30 when it did it back here, that's about 82 pips. On SPX when it did it right here. Are you guys looking, by the way? Be clear on what I'm telling you. When you see this pattern, it doesn't just, look at how many times it repeated. Look at the pattern repeat. This is SPX. Green, 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 red, green, green, it went up. Green, green. These are non-repeating patterns. These never change. You can go back 6 months, 8 months, a year and do it. Green, 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 red, green, green, it went up. Green, 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 red, green, green, it went up. How many times? Fourth, fifth, green, 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 red, green, green, went up. Here's another one, green, green, red. This is Friday. Green, 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 red, it went up. Look at how many times it did it. There's SPX. You want to see US 30 Friday? Let's see if US 30 Friday did the exact same thing. Look, from my time when I told you, I left you all in this trade right here, that pink line. It says buy stop, all three indices 1 minute. Here it is on US 30. Here it is one time. You would have made 130 pips, 130 things. I don't care what you call it. 88 pips. Another time, 97 pips. Another time. Here it is over and over again. Argue all you want, but there's the proof. 90 pips. Here it is again, 60 pips. Over and over and over again. US 30, SPX, and NAS all did it because they all trade as one. They'll get veered off once in a while. One of the three might go haywire, but they'll come right back into it on the hourly no matter what. They all do. Got it. Vance Nevis, bro, anything that's better than a crossover. What? You mean a cross? Vance? So the buy says not the first green bar, but the finish, the green bar on the top of the line. No, Jay, that's not correct. I'll show you how to read it again. I want the hoodie. Says Ken Levy. He doesn't have the system, obviously. He hasn't been trained on the system where he went and asked that question. When does your shirt come? It's out now. The shirt is out now. Yeah, I was looking back on the charts the other day with the rules up just to get used to seeing my training and was like, wow, time and time again. Yep, never misses. If you follow the rules, you are not going to, you will, I'll show you how you can lose a battle, win the war. You can lose part of a trade, but you won't lose a whole trade. It's not happening. You're making it so easy. Thanks, Susie. Oh, yeah, please come on, Susie. Oh, my God. 2% of our YouTube viewers are females. Drives me nuts. Exit in profit. Yep, correct. A crossover is a setup. That's your terminology. That's not anything. It doesn't happen. How would you cross? Okay, here's your crossover. He's talking about a trade that he put his stop loss too close on because he didn't know how to trade it. So what he's talking about is old terminology. Again, it's nothing that's actual in the system at all. Zero. So watch what happens with the trade. Trade starts up here. Oops, hold on. Let me take that off the black. You can't see it. Let me go over to here. Trade starts up here for our case, comes down, pivots, comes up, would cross over here. And this is our crossover, but that's called a pivot point. We enter the trade. Once the trade's entered, you pull down your stop loss to below the pivot point. And if you know enough, you'll go to a higher time frame and put it there anyways. So wherever this pivots is where we put our stop loss, which is right here. trade never gets threatened by anything again. They're taught in certain rules to go ahead and take anywhere from 2 to 3 pips. In this case, once they get comfortable, they'd open up 2 of these, keep one open. They would close one 20 to 30 pips in profit and keep the other one riding forever. Never close a winning trade or close it out when you get to the point where you're just getting greedy. Very nice. Can you do shorter time? It looks like you're using day one. No, this is 1 minute. These are 1 minute. You can see that now. It's actually thanks to Keith. You can see this US 30 minute one. This is not daily. It happens on daily. Oh, you can make a shit ton on. Oh my God. Then your pips go from 60, 80 to 100 to thousands of pips when this occurs. Thousands of them. But no, this is minute one, US 30. You can see it now thanks to Keith. There it is. US 30 minute one. Boop. Okay, got you. Thank you. You're welcome, Faven. First time you even consider, yes, exit profit. If you get one-on-one system, can you still do training with group? Yeah, you'll get group training after the first one-on-one. That is correct. Explanations. Fish on TV. And Fish on TV used to be a little doubter, just to be clear. Jared Valente, which is fair enough. Everyone doubts. I don't believe you. Yeah, M equals minute. 1M equals minute. Oh, he thought 1M equals month? No. No. Those you can open up. Watch, I'll open up a monthly for you. It would be MN. The month is MN. The daily is daily. It's D1. You see it. 4 hour is 4 hour. 1 hour is H1. 30 minute M30, 15, 5, 1. And yes, it happens in all time frames. And you can't believe the money you make if you traded like a 4 hour trade. Oh my God. It's crazy. Okay. All right. Now, so we did a little training. So this is how it would look. Thank God we finally got that in. This is how it would look on, for instance, the US 30. You see them? I mean, you can't miss these. I don't know how to explain it other than once you see this, look at it. One here. It happens again right here. The same exact set. Oh, it doesn't happen. Does it? Yeah, it does the exact same way. Doop, 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 doop. And it doesn't just happen on US 30. It happens on SPX. Look, they're the same trades. There's your SPX. This is SPX 500 1 minute. Watch this change. Here's US 30. Same trades. Same trades. Look, there's NAS 100. The same. Look at it. Look at the wording. NAS 100. Look at it. Now watch. SPX 500, same exact formations, the same setups. US 30, US 30, see it? Same trades, same time, because they all trade together. That's another lie they taught you. All these symbols are different. No, they're not. They just scammed us. Like, why on earth do they have US 30 trading at 32,000? And then they have SPX trading at 3,900. Then they have NAS just to confuse you. It's just to confuse us, 12,700. All these should be the same numbers. They know what they did. They just taught us the wrong thing, and they made it as complicated as possible to scam us for 100 years. Well, I broke their code. I broke their AI. Literally. I cracked it. And I made it color-coded so you all can crack it too. If it goes up, this is what it does. If it goes down, it forms the other way. Simple. That's it. Correct. It's made for totally new beginners. I've been practicing on Bitcoin. Do you feel about using on 1 minute and 5 minutes? On Bitcoin, I hate it. I hate using it on the 1 minute. It's not enough movement for Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the 1 hour with our scanner has not lost. I'm making a video when I get home from Vegas here for the past 2 months. When we get home next week, I'll have a video up in a couple weeks where on every YouTube video that I call out since January 3rd, that our scanner, the system, the way it's trade on Bitcoin has never missed a 1 hour trade ever. It called out on January the 3rd at 16,300, a buy stop for Bitcoin. And of course, you see what it is where now. We don't react to the news. It calls it out before it happens. And the 1 hour never misses, period. Hasn't missed. It might in the future. I'm telling you for a fact it has not missed since January the 3rd when it went live, the first time we started live trading with the scanner. Will we get access to the scanner joint? No, you pay $50 a month, and I wouldn't even want you to get it. The first month, don't waste your money until you learn how to trade the system. Then after a month, if you want to get it, then you can get the scanner. I mean, you can buy it after you get the system or while you get it. That's fine, and you can look at trades, but you're only supposed to be trading SPX 500. The first month of trading is SPX 500, so I wouldn't get the scanner the first month, but whatever. If you want to, you can. And two silly Siberians. This system is made for beginners. So you start trading. Yes, sliver is red, HMN. Yes, you do. It is made for beginners. Why? Because beginners don't have their head filled with the BS called everything from Fibonacci retracements to everything. I mean, you guys don't, you're not cluttered. Your head isn't full of all the BS, the wrong trading information. So there is no support and resistance. There is none of that BS. There is none of the look to the left, look to the left, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, trying to name, let's name the candles. I thank God I never got suckered into that thing. Let's name the candles. Let's name the candles. Oh yeah. There's a morning star and evening star. I was like, what the hell? How does morning star and evening star have to do with anything in hell? What are they talking about? What the hell are they talking about? Morning star and evening star and railroads and geez, oh pizza. Yeah, you as a beginner, all you have to do, as a child could do. I'm being told that 5-year-olds can do this. I think we have some 11-year-olds trading with their parents now. Sons and daughters are trading with their children at a young age now, learning it. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop above the line. So some of our people in our group are now teaching the system to their children. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's pretty easy. I think the youngest I heard was 11-year-old. Jay Cochran, if you could speak up and let me know. I think it was an 11-year-old is the youngest now learning it. If I trade system for 24 hours straight, what? If I trade for 24 hours long, would that be a good idea? Vance, I wouldn't trade for 24 hours straight. I would, if you buy the system, get the scanner and then get the scanner and trade when the scanner tells you to. Yeah, okay, that's cool. No, absolutely not. One Baldwin Hood. Absolutely not. Do a demo account, but you have to trade in the demo account once a month to keep it active, but just not trade. Well, you have to open up a fake demo paper trade once a month. That's all they want you to do. No worries, I'm beginner. I'm just watching till sleep. Yeah, it works fantastic for beginners. Does EcoFX? No, it does not have to be funded. Should I go to your YouTube and start watching? Absolutely, Two Silly Siberians. There's 400 videos, of which the last video was this 1 minute buy stop on all 3 indices. So when I called this out back here, it did the 1 minute buy stop right here. It did it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times on all 3 indices. So when I called that last video out that you watched, the previous video from this one on YouTube, the last thing I said were these 3 things right here. When I called that, it went up 5 different times. You'd have made money 5 different times. Oh my God. You don't know how much money that is. It's sickening. Precious. Does it work for seniors too? We've had an issue with an older gentleman. So I'm going to go ahead and say I would not buy this unless you had clearance. If you're a senior, I happen to be a senior, I guess, 57 years old. But if you're talking about, we have traders in their 80s, 82 years old, I think is our oldest. So it can be done. The only question I have is you better be clear of thought. And I don't want anyone's money that is not clear. So check with your loved ones. Make sure that they approve of this purchase. If they can help you with it, because sometimes some of the seniors have a little trouble even following our videos. But yes, it works for seniors. Absolutely. It works for any 18 and up or younger. I'm telling you, there's an 11-year-old being trained by a thing. Now, they're not obviously trading. That's up to their father to do that. But, they're learning it. In case you're not for absolutely. The scanners, look at the scanners. You guys have, this scanner is crazy good. So, all right. So you have a scanner room for indices, Forex, crypto, and stocks. Then you make up your own scanner room like I did. So I have gold in mine. I have US 30 NAS and ERUSD. I love trading these. So I trade these. My alerts go, and this is in beta. This isn't part of the scanner. This is just being implemented now. We'll get all the bugs worked out soon. But there is an alert. There's a voice alert on your computer screen. But there's also a beta version of an alert that goes through your email to your phone or to your email, wherever you want it. So you get an alert sent to your phone. So I'm out shopping, say with Bri over in Victoria's Secret or wherever. I get an alert. I check my phone through any desk back to the home computer, and I see that this little trade comes up over here. I click on it, say, hey, I want to take this trade. And I look around and I take the trade. And that's how you trade. You don't have to be glued to your charts 24/7 anymore. You just don't. Struggle trade with busy day job. Then you would go to the 1 hour, 4 hour trades or the other higher time frames. Watch. So that's a minute. Watch what happens right here. The same exact formations happen on daily, right? For instance, this one right here. This was green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop above here. You know how much money this is right here? This is US 30, and that is 945 pips / points, however you want to take it. I don't want to get details. 945 pips on a daily trade. You wouldn't have to look at this for days. Put your ring in, put it in, and go. And by the way, same things happen over here, for instance. This is US 30. This is a buy stop. Look at it. Oh, let me get that off of there. This is a buy stop right here. Green, 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 red, green, green. Put your buy stop right above that clutter right there above the red line and quarter inch. You're up 1,100 pips on a daily. There it is. So yeah, you can do it. Many people have weird hours and weird jobs. They still use it. I love trading 1 hour, 4 hours, meaning I have a 1 hour chart and a 4 hour. By the way, this is absolutely a 1 hour sell stop forming. You see it? Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop underneath the line and wait. Okay, so just wait. Thanks, sir. I will watch your YouTube videos and look forward to joining. You're welcome, Two Silly Siberians. That's a cute name. Why not trade in the PM? Not enough volume. You can trade 1 minute during volume periods. The blue box I used to have on there for you guys, still do to most of you. It's for that time period. The reality is you should only be trading anytime you want at 5 minutes and higher. So you don't have to stick with volume. I.e., when something breaks on a 1 hour right here, it doesn't matter if it breaks at 2 a.m. in the morning. You'll make money. Look at this one right here. Look how easy this is. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Doop, straight down. Doop. There's your money. 400, 500, 600 pips. That's a crazy amount of money. Okay. Struggle trade. How much to start? Oh, you only need nothing. You'll do demo trading the first month. Then you need $200 in your account. You'll do SPX 500 trading for the second month. You only need $200 in your account, if that. People think they have strategies from all this stuff out there and the candle names and fibs, then hop to another strategy the very next week in confusion, right? Oh, I was there. I did that for 6 years. Yeah, someone said in your stream that they were teaching their 11-year-old and their kid was loving it. Yep, that is true. That's Jay Cochran. Kento says, what are the rules for canceling? That's a very good question, Kento. And sometimes I have so many fucking trades open that I left open and forgot to cancel out. It's a horror. I don't right now, otherwise I'd show you. It's a horror show. I leave them open entirely too long. You should cancel them out once you enter in the opposite trade. So if you're going up, you should cancel your sells. Well, on similar time periods, you should. Yes. Do I have to fund the Eagle FX account to get MT for it? No. You can just put it in as demo money. Richard, please send them an email to discuss the issue with them. Thank you. Do I have to fund you? Yeah, if you're having trouble with that, Richard, we don't talk about individual problems here or you'll get blocked. This is for groups only, but my charts say waiting for update. That means you're not logged into your account when it says waiting for update. You have the wrong password, I'm assuming. Scammers get scammed. Hey, well, all the platforms have. No, you can go over to the Discord and download it yourselves. What are the rules? I just explained it to you. As soon as you enter the trade on the same time period, close down the opposite one. By the way, on NAS, usually one of these three symbols, the things, it was just printing money. So on NAS, let's go to whatever. 1 minute. So on NAS Friday, it was going from the 1 minute. Watch this shit. They're so fucking mental. So what you guys used to call consolidation and lose a lot of money is we were doing 1 minute buy stops and 5 minute sell stops, like 7 in a row. And we kept going back and forth, back and forth. You just keep making money over and over and over and over. We did it live. Go watch the video. You'll laugh your fucking ass off. I changed NAS 100 to ATM 100. It was printing money like an ATM would. Marco said, "Hey, Kevin, can't wait to join Safe Trade. First, have to save up the money. I steal all my signals. I give them out free, except for probably this Friday. I give out signals free every day for the last 6, 7, 7, 8 months. I have no idea. I said 6, but it was 6 before we came here, and it's been 2 months. So whatever. I've been giving out signals for 7 months. Just steal them and take them. Since it's rule based, any plans for EA? Yeah, it's impossible. Faven. That's why we made up the thing, because your problem with creating an EA, and I have had two guys, one taught at the professor level at Cambridge, 2 PhDs in AI, artificial intelligence, blah, we couldn't do it. But our dashboard is fucking amazing. There's too many. Inside a NAS, for instance, it goes up 10, 20 pips. You put a trailing stop loss on there. If you try to do a take profit, you can't do a take profit. So if you're going to make an EA, it would have to be an EA specifically focused for US 30. It'd have to be an EA specifically focused for gold, and so on and so forth. You can't have it that way, because not every commission point, every pips, every whatever version you're going to say how to read it close. But yeah, no, we've got the scanner down. It reads the trades perfectly. That's why you still have to be a human being and actually make a decision on that. Let's see. Go back over to here. Hi. But you're not the market closed. Would you look gold? I made a mistake Friday. Heck, then too late. My market opens in 4 hours. Please give me an idle view to the future. Anyway, the program could be on a referral basis. So yeah, I have you can do it. Kevin B, we already have a referral program, affiliate program. Just email us. Yeah, look, Jonathan Owens, smart. Jonathan Owens says, Kev, when they change the currency to digital, will you be able to make digital money through trading? Well, digital money would be Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, digital money. Yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, as long as they have a Forex market that we can trade on, I can chart on, yes. Sell stop forming, by the way. What is this Bitcoin? 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop Bitcoin's going to go back down to this blue line right here. Any rate, to answer your question, yes, it works on Bitcoin, Ethereum, X. We have a whole freaking room of it. So yes, if I can chart on MetaTrader 4, it'll work. Hi, is your net market closed? You want me to look at gold? I will look at gold, yes. Yeah, working on, so it's in the program, I assume. What Kevin B is asking. Oh yeah, you can't refer somebody, Kevin B, without having been in the program, bro. What? Not going to happen. You can't represent something you don't believe. I'm not doing that. If you want to get the system, learn it, and do it, then yeah, you can refer people in. Thank you, Kim, for catching that. Yes, I trade Forex. I only traded ERUSD and NAS 100 for a year and a half. I only traded ERUSD and NAS 100 for over a year. Try that, doing that, and talking about dedication. I was trying to figure out a few things, and I did, evidently. So I'll look at gold for you. Diablo says that's a sell. That is correct, Diablo. Diablo TO. I don't think he's in the system yet, but he knows. DMC, how do you know where to set the line that puts you in the trade? It's below this red line right here. Like right, I would set it literally right here. This is how I would look. This is gonna be too thick, but I would set my line right underneath. Well, again, that's too close. You need to put it under it. Again, this is too thick. And just wait. Let's go over to here. Sell stop. 15-minute buy stop. So for instance, you could put your sell stop in, put your buy stop above right here, and then you just wait. Now I can't draw it. It's way too thick. We'll put it up here. So either it's going to come down here and hit our 1 minute sell and engage, right? Look at it go up, or if it's, which is going to come down anyways, it's just going to go up temporarily. Or you can go right over here to the 15-minute and wait for a higher time frame to engage. It doesn't matter. This is a buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, up it goes. It doesn't, which I hate playing Bitcoin on the 1 minute. I will not do it because there's not enough movement to cover the commission costs. 15-minute, 1 hour, nothing, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4-hour buy. This is a 4-hour buy, and you might want to wait on this one. And by the way, this daily that was called out a while ago, last week, whatever it was, all of you were picking up, this is crumbs right now. You're looking at trying to make money off of a move that happened back here. 311. You should be trading this right here. You'd actually be up, what, $6,000-$7,000 if you'd have made this trade on a coin. And now we're waiting for it to move. Yeah, that's why it's doing it. It's moving over to the 4-hour to 4-hour logo, which I don't get into too much on TikTok because you guys can't understand the basic concepts of things. So, at any rate, right here, and this is our logo, and it's coming back down to form it. This is the first time I formed it. Buy stop, 4-hour Bitcoin. You want to know where it's going? It's going up. Green, 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 red, green, green. I'm not a financial advisor, thank God, but it is going up. That's your ultimate. 1 minute down. Who the fuck cares? Play the bigger time frames on Bitcoin. Don't get suckered into the littler time frames. Trust me. This is a 4-hour buy stop, easy peasy. Wait for it to do its move. That's all. But again, you're late to the party. It already did its daily, straight up to its blue line, I might add. So again, I'm just making a little extra money right here at the end, but this is ridiculous. If you really want to know longer, Bitcoin, sell stop, red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin's blue line is 15,000, right? This is Bitcoin's blue line, 15,000. Did it already hit it? Yes. Is it going to go back up and come back down again? Yes, I truly believe it will. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. Put it up here if you want to be safe. 30,955 monthly. Again, do you guys like trading like Warren Buffett, or do you like trading like daily, weeklies like Warren Buffett, or you like trading minutes and hourlies? And do those. Whatever your philosophy is, trade. Buy stop monthly, sell stop weekly, buy stop already done, 4-hour buy stop, 4-hour, 1 hour, nothing, 30-minute, nothing, 15-minute buy stop, 5-minute, nothing, 1 minute sell stop. Put it down here and wait. If it comes down, take it. If it doesn't, it means you have an open order, close it down later and get into these 15-minute buy stops, 4-hour buy stops. That's how you trade. Again, whatever you're comfortable trading, you trade. If you're not comfortable on the 1 minutes, don't fucking trade. I don't even like 1 minute Bitcoins, by the way. XRP, same way. XRP's been called out so easily. And by the way, it's going up to its daily. Called this the other day and it almost made it there. It's going to finish. XRP I own, daily buy, but do not get confused of what's happening on the weekly basis for XRP. It's a sell. And you want to know where its blue line is? XRP's blue line is down at 23 cents and I bought in at 31. I'm just telling you what it should do. Will it do on weekly? I can get you there with near perfection. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours, and dailies. After dailies, they get too manipulative. My example would be oil. Oil's a little shitheads, by the way, called down to the daily the other day, and there it is right there, just so you know. Oil, the U.S. government gets involved and they start buying it back. $78 a barrel, $72 a barrel, $80 a barrel. Stay out of it. I can tell you where oil's going, but will they allow it to get there? See that sell stop to the blue line right here? Is it going to touch that blue line? It should. Will they let it get there? Maybe. I mean, but that's where it should go. Oil after that, it is clearly a buy stop monthly. So oil is going to go rocketing up over $131 in time. Do I believe it's going to happen in the next 6 months or a year? No. But I can call out what is this? Everyone can see what this is. This isn't rocket scientist. There you go. 4-hour oil daily, 4-hour daily is a sell. Sell stop. 1 hour, nothing, 30-minute sell, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute buy. So it's going to touch the blue. I said this. So it was a 1 minute buy to the 5-minute blue line and went up and to stayed at the blue line. I mean, it's easy. Once you get the hang of it, you'll get the hang of it. Oh, let me look at gold for that fella real quick. Gold, short term. Fill in the gap, buy. Yeah, buy. 1 minute, gold's going to go up, touches 1 minute blue line. 5-minute sell stop. Gold, 30-minute, 1 hour buy. 1 hour buy. So you have a 1 minute buy to the stop, 1 minute blue line, 5 minute sell stop, 5 minute, 5 minutes, 5 minute, 5 minute sell, 1 hour buy, 1 hour buy, 1 hour buy. Yep, there you go. And that's what it's going to do. Put a buy line up here. If you're not aggressive, 1988.40. If you're super aggressive, 1982.26 on a 1 hour time frame. If you want to be more hyper and do it even better, you can do a different version. You can do a buy stop right here. You're too late, by the way. It should have been down here, but let's assume that you want to try to do this shit anyways. 1979.19. It'll go up and touch or come close to touching 1986. And then it will come back down. And when it comes back down, it will then come back down. You got to wait on this for the sell stop, but you can put it underneath there. It's going to come down. Oh, yeah. So you're probably going to have a red line touch right here filling this one. So it's going to come up a little bit. And then it's going to be that 5 minute sell. 1 minute buy, 5 minute sell, or if you just want to screw all that fucking small shit stuff, 1 hour buy. And I told you the times or the amounts to go in at. There you go. Evening Star Weekly. Get the fuck out of here. That's so funny. If you get a 4 hour buy stop, do you wait for hours? No, it means 4 hour buy stop means it's a 4 hour candle. It's on the 4 hour candle chart. If it's a 1 hour, it's on a 1 hour chart. We don't do 2 minutes of MetaTrader 4. 1 minute buy stop reverse. Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. This is as soon as this one turns green, you'll stop the trade. Until then, this is a 1 minute sell stop. You'll put your sell stop down where I told you if you want to do this Bitcoin, which I would not. I hate Bitcoins. 1 minute. They're just shitty. Look how many times I already did it, by the way. Look. Buy stop down to the blue line. Buy stop down to the blue line. It hit it there. Buy stop. I'm sorry. Sell stop down the blue line. Sell stop the blue line. Sell stop the blue line. And there you go. Once this Bach breaks, that's why it's the most important indicator. You'll get rid of this trade and you'll move to the next higher time frame. Again, our system's set up so that even if it goes, let's go over this one for you. Watch. Price comes up, price comes down, price goes up and keeps going up the whole time. Kev's fucking wrong. You don't lose any money. It never engaged the sell stop, so you're not out any money. The whole point of the system is you don't get fucked and sucked into a pile of shit trade. You don't get in it. You never enter it. So you don't lose any money. You shouldn't end up with a market order of a sell stop and you lose money. You never do that. Market orders are for fools, to be specific to you. Sell stop. Now, see this broke right here? See this broke? You pull up your trade. So say you had your little line in, your sell stop line right here, like this. You would actually see this happen. It never came down. So we're going to pull out, we're going to go right click, doop, and we're going to clean this out. So then our sell stop's pulled up. Someone asked that on YouTube. And you never take the trade because this is now turned into a dirty sell stop. Which, by the way, no, I still say down, but doesn't matter. 5 minute down. Yeah, it's going to come up, touch this 5 minute line, hook, and come back down. But I don't care. If you don't want to play those little shitty ones, then do the 15 minute buy. I don't care. Put your buy stop line above here, right here, and wait. Doop. 15 minute buy. 4 hour buy. Again, this is table scraps. You guys should have already made your $5,000-$6,000 a coin on Bitcoin. Let it regroup. Let it recharge itself. Let it reload itself. Easiest call on earth. Go back to my March the 8th videos on YouTube, and you'll see where I called this out live. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. As it was going down, I was calling buy stop. Because it's easy. On the hourly, 4 hourlies, they never miss. So easy peasy. NHS. If you're trying to, by the way, NHM, if you're trying to look for mistakes on the trading, as I call it, you're never going to find it. Go back 400 videos, 6 to 8 months, and go in and look at my calls. You'll have fun with that. Don't be lazy. Just do it. I was long on Friday, says Flyowski. Not yet working on my funds, so it's in the program soon. Cool. Thanks, Ahmad Abdul. I was long. All right. So that's where we left you. Matter of fact, these sell stops I called out, these 5 minute sell stops on that day, just so we're clear, all turned into not sell stops. So again, oh, that's Bitcoin. Hold on. Let's go over here. On the sell stops, never engaged. So all your sell stops, it would have went here. Once it changed right here on this color, you have to pull up your sell stops. It's no longer 5 minute sell stops. I think a lot of you guys don't understand that the market is a living, breathing thing. And when it goes, it breathes in and it goes up. It exhales, it goes down. It changes. That's why the one guy we caught and busted and prosecuted him and got him really good was a douche was trying to sell signals. You can't sell my signals because they change constantly. You can't do it. That's why we have a scanner, so that you can get the scanner, see if you agree with what the trade's doing, make it a point that you're actually in charge of your own trading for once in your life, learn that that's true or not, and if that is a buy, stop, take it. So the 5-minute ones never developed, never came through. So then the 1-minute ones on Friday repeatedly made money over and over and over and over again on all 3 indices. So again, that's how you trade. You guys are, I think a lot of you are very confused. Thanks, I'm not, never hit. Daniel says, I just want to say thank you on what you showed and feel encouraged to sign up. You were very honest and transparent. I do have questions. Does it work on a crypto, FTMN, USD, 4-hour and daily? You can't put it on a FTM. You can't. So that crypto FTM USDT is not on our, because the problem we have, limit we have at this point in time are the symbols. We have 100 of them on our scanner, but there's 250 of them. So eventually we're going to have 250 of them. I'm just double checking for you. But see, we only have like these big monstrous stocks. We only have the big monstrous cryptos. We only have a few metals, the big metals. We don't have like soybeans and all the futures. We don't have that on it. Now we do through oh my gosh, who's the stupid little blue one that doesn't work? Pepperstone, but it doesn't. I don't have ability to put the scanner or it's coded for Eagle FX, so I can't put the system on Pepperstone because Pepperstone doesn't have the ability to read it correctly. It messes up the system. So these are the only ones I can put it on. So if I can chart it, I can read anything to you. If I can't chart it, I can't read it to you. So the only way it works right now. Now, yes, we can put it on MT5 and get a code for that, but I can't get it coded for like any of the other ones at this time. So what's up, Jesus B? Good afternoon, sir. I was on the Friday. Thank you. Just wanted to say thank you. So advanced question. All right. TikTok guys, I'm going to head out of here. I'm going to go over to YouTube and answer some more questions over there for a while. Anyone on TikTok have any questions or anything they want answered before I go? Sorry I didn't get into too much training. Kind of sucks. Oh, here, I didn't leave these up here. These are the trades. These are what you're seeing right here. This right here, the green, 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 red, is the profits. I got into them earlier, but still the same trade. These are the profits I made on Friday. And these aren't all of them. These are just the profits I made on Friday when I left you. I told you to do buy, stop, 3 minutes. This thing right here. And well, what do you know? I listened to my own advice and I did it. So I told you guys to do it and I did it. I'm getting off right now, Precious. All right. So TikTok, any more questions? 3. Ready for this week for US 30. Ooh, better have some big money in there, Jesus. Do NAS instead. Any more questions? 2. I'm heading over to TikTok for a few minutes. I'm heading over to YouTube for a few minutes right here. The YouTube channel is a safety trade. Any questions on TikTok before I go? 1. All right. Have a great rest of your weekend, guys. See you, Lord willing, Monday morning. Go over to my YouTube channel and watch some of those videos too. There's 400 of them. Have fun. One of the guys, I guess, scammers got taken down from TikTok, they said.
Good.
Yeah, I know. About time.
Rat bastard.
All right, guys. See you on TikTok. Bye. Talk to y'all later. And of course, whenever I say I'm going, we're up to 60-something people. TikTok is weird like that. All right, we're done. What time, please? Too late. All right, YouTube. Anyone have questions on YouTube? Anyone have YouTube questions on YouTube? How long do you think a beginner can go from start to making money? Susie, I refer to you to Phil. He was a beginner. He went October was his first month trading. He never traded anything. Phil was a real beginner. He comes on lives all the time too, at least once, twice a week. Anyway, Phil then didn't know anything about trading, bought this in October. He did demo. He watched my training video that you'll get with me when we do it. He watched it 50 times a week for 4 weeks. And then Phil went into demo training on November, and Phil went live. His first month training anything, Phil made over 30. Well, it was actually over 33,000, but over $30,000 his first month trading. So I would say be like Phil. Take 2 to 3 months to learn. That's what I would say. Don't have a good day, says Capital Gains. Really? Thanks, Capital Gains. No, I hope you have a wonderful day. Oh, did you say you got funded? Yes, he got funded perfectly without making one mistake on his trade. Yeah, but Marcus closed, but your cryptos are open. How are the numbers on the right used for? The right. These numbers right here, these are just the bullshit prices they give you. Like this is $12,000, whatever this SPX is like 3,900. US 30 is like 32,000. It marks your exact time in to the trades. Dollar amount. 32,254.94. They're so silly. Then other ones like ERUSD goes down to 100,000s because that's really important to do. This is 1.07598. Why do they do that? Why isn't US 30 like that? Why isn't Bitcoin like that? They're so weird. They do it to try to confuse you is what they're doing. That's all. You're welcome, Crandall, over here now, boss. What's up, Jay? Kev Bri, hope you have an awesome evening. Thank you, Stephen. We hope you do too. Thank you, Lord, for all the amen to that. Oh, Capital Gain says, no, I don't. Capital, I thought you were telling me to have a bad weekend, my brother. I'm just teasing you. I'm in all the mojo ones, sicko. Kevin, what's your brother's YouTube channel, The Financial Advisor? Oh, he doesn't have one, Kimberly. He doesn't do my brother in law does that, and he does not have a TikTok. My brother has a YouTube channel, does the weight loss. Exceptionally good. Kim the Candle Lady and Kim the Gold Lady. All right. I'm going to try to figure out how to get this closed off again. Here we go. All right, guys. This has been fun. Oh. Hold on. I didn't make any predictions for you guys. Hold on. 1 minute. Don't care. 5 minute. Don't care. We're too far away. Okay, my prediction is this. This shit has got to come down. How about that for prediction? 5 minute, 15 minute. Touch the 15-minute line. Let me see something. That's US 30. Let me get rid of this thing. Hold on. 15 already went past it on here. NAS. It had to have gone past NAS. There's no fucking way. I know it did. So NAS 15 minutes. 30. SPX hit the 30. Here it's hit the 30. US 30. Oh, we're not there. Okay. This is what's going to, I'll write it out for you guys so no one gets confused. You're going to see all three drop down. To the 15-minute maybe. You really want, now I messed up my writing. Fuck. All three drop down to the 15.5. Well, they're going to drop down to one or the other. Does that help you? So it doesn't matter. You grab it when it hits one of those. Here, let me get this. So all three will drop down to their, I don't know, 15-minute as a guess, 30-minute red lines. Okay. And then you're going to see sometime throughout the week, all three go up because they're going to do it. So it's probably Monday around 9:30 as a guess. You'll see you go to all three go up to US 30 minute. Let me check that again to make sure I'm saying that clearly. Hold on. Damn, I forgot to tell people on TikTok 30 minute. Yeah, no, yeah, for sure. SPX. Yep. NAS. Hold on. NAS 1 hour. It's already past it. I know it is. Yeah, it is. 4 hour. Daily. Oh, shit. We are way too high. SPX. 4 hour. Touch. 1 hour. Touch. 4 hour. Touch. Daily below. Watch and see. Yep. Daily below. 4 hour. Touch. US 30. Whoa. Nice. 4 hour. Sell stop. 1 hour. Yeah. 1 hour sell. Okay. Let's take this one out because that's not applicable anymore. I'm going to take this one down too. I'm going to leave this in. US 30 minute. Yeah, I'm going to leave that. And then I'm going to make these longer calls for us so you guys can have a better idea here. Let me go into NAS. NAS 1 hour buy, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Weekly, by the way, just so we're all clear. Let me get this. I should write these down. Weekly sell stops for NAS. Buy stop monthly, by the way. SPX US 30, US 30, 30 daily, weekly, daily. 4 hour sell, 4 hour sell. I should have left that up. Let me see if I can undo that. Yeah, we'll leave the 4 hour. I'm going to put 4 hour sell stop from last week still here. I don't care. I'm going to stick with that one for a minute. Yeah. All right. So if you want to do some quick ones, look for a pullback immediately, probably upon open tonight. Then you'll see. I'm going to take this one off now that it's finished too. So you're going to see this drop down to their 15-minute, 30-minute lines, and all three will go up to the US 30, 30, and then 1 hour. Technically, you're about to see this change into the 1 hour too. So you'll see it go up to the 1 hour. There's 31 hour. Okay, so that's this. So those are called out. Exactly what I'm expecting them to do: short term, long term, longer term. And this is where it's going to get a little interesting because it did it middle of the week last week. I think it was Wednesday night or Thursday. It dropped. Let me see that 4 hour again. SPX. To the 4 hour. I'll hold on the longer terms, even though I'm going to put that 4 hour in there. So if you want to do quick, look for the sell stops coming up. If you have the system, look for a sell stop. It's going to look exactly like this on a 1 minute chart, just like that. And then you'll see it go back up. You'll see the higher time frames, for instance, start forming like a 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. And you'll see those click in. So to be specific to you. I'll try to come on live again in the morning and we can catch some of those for you. All right, that's it. I can wait, though, dropping later for now. Just questions about the contract. Thanks for the calls, Kev. I can wait, though. What contract? What is Kim asking? Sorry. Can I message you on the Discord? Absolutely, Kim. Message me on the Discord. Yes, ma'am.
I was talking to Middlemind about some kind of fun thing.
Oh, the funding. Okay. My bad. I talked to Metalmind. Sorry. Yeah. And then if you need to talk to Tommy, he's exceptionally good on that stuff. Fiowski. Oh, don't worry about giving something back, my brother. Just make money for you and your family and friends. Yeah, it would be nice for you to buy the program. That's correct, Fiowski. That'll put you in good karma with everything. You're welcome, Metalmine. Yeah, it stopped because there's nothing moving. Correct. Keith and Mike. Thank you, Kimberly. Thank you, Sapphire. Thank you, Metalmine. Psychopath, if you're asking how to join the Discord and you have bought the program, that's an unforgivable question almost. If you haven't bought the program, you have to buy the program and then you'll learn how to do it. If you have the program, just follow your type form that you have. It'll tell you. Right, he's not. All right, guys. Talk to y'all later on YouTube. We're going to run. See y'all.